So let this be a quick update here on price action of Bitcoin, because just like how we anticipated, Bitcoin looks like on its way to make a new all-time high and even higher because we have officially entered in this parabolic move. After ending this APC correction, Bitcoin looks like following this parabolic move in which the price gets attracted towards the previous high and goes even higher. Yes guys, Bitcoin is expected to continue with this uptrend towards the previous high and even higher, because it's not just only this ABC correction pointing us after ending this bearish move, we could be on an impulsive move. Parallelly, Bitcoin is also following this bull flag, or so-called a descending channel formation, and we know descending channel, bull flag, both are a bullish continuation pattern. And at the moment, if we look at this example, if we look at this price action, you can see where could the price in the medium short term be heading. The price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could be heading towards this 109,000, which will be acting as resistance, but this will be a temporary resistance in my opinion. Yes guys, I strongly believe if the price does shows a continuation towards 110,000 and starts with a move in this manner, please, this pullback will be just a temporary pullback, and price after that could be showing a continuation which might look somehow like this. Yes, you heard that correctly. Bitcoin at the moment looks like following some of the most bullish continuation, so any sort of a pullback will be just a temporary pullback before expecting another parabolic move, because in a daily time frame Bitcoin also looks like following this descending broadening wedge pattern. Descending broadening wedge is another bullish continuation pattern, and just like what happened in this example, if you look at it carefully, after coming for a retest around the previous resistance line, this descending broadening wedge started breaking out. Same scenario has unfolded. Resistance, the same trend line acted as support. So if you look in our case, you can see the price has already tested the previous resistance line. Now it could be on its way to form a very similar move to this one here. I mean, Bitcoin could be on its way towards the previous high and even higher. And according to this descending broadening wedge, if this bullish continuation continues, you can see we are expecting Bitcoin to come across 130,000, 140,000. Yes guys, 130, 140,000 will be looked as our upcoming target according to this descending broadening wedge, because parallelly Bitcoin has also officially found support above the June month CPI, which is very bullish. Yes guys, Bitcoin finding support above 104,000 means we are going to be above the CPI line, which could be preparing ourselves for a continuation that might look somehow like this. Bitcoin getting attracted towards the first bullish target for the month of June, which sits around 113,000, and 130,000 will also mark the new all-time high for Bitcoin. Yes guys, yes, Bitcoin in a daily time frame, Bitcoin in a smaller time frame looks like preparing itself for a continuation, which could bring us near to the new all-time high and even higher. But if we simply zoom out and look at the weekly time frame, even according to the weekly time frame, Bitcoin has officially started with a new parabolic move. I mean, according to this falling wedge, Bitcoin has officially, you can see Bitcoin here has officially ended this shakeout or more of an exhaustion phase, and now we are entering in another parabolic move which might look somehow like this. I mean, according to this falling wedge as well, you can see Bitcoin looks like on its way to form another continuation which might look somehow like this. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that this falling wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, and not just only in a smaller time frame, in a daily time frame, even in a weekly time frame, Bitcoin has officially marked the bottom, and now we could be on our way to form a new all-time high. And in the medium short term, even the resistance which was holding us, which we talked in my previous video, has already been broken, and now the same trend line which during downtrend acts as resistance will be acting as support in case of some turbulence. Yes guys, if the price in the immediate short term shows a move like this but manages to remain above 105, 106,000, you can see it will be just a temporary pullback, because in that case CryptoAnup buy sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support, right? And price could be showing a very similar move to this one here. False break to the downside, liquidity grab, and then a continuation which might look somehow like this. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that doesn't matter whichever scenarios plays out, for the upcoming days Bitcoin actually looks very bullish, and it also looks like it is on its way to make a new all-time high. And guys, please, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then definitely check the video description, because Bybit right now is giving around 30,000 in deposit bonus, Phemex is giving around 6,000 in deposit bonus, and OKX around 50,000 in rewards. So if you haven't claimed these bonuses, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.